Vivo Z6 with 5G, Snapdragon 765G, 44W charger launched under 25,000 rupees in China. The latest 5G phone from Vivo is priced under 25,000 rupees price segment in China. The Vivo Z6 5G comes with a starting price of RMB 2,298, which is around 23,570 rupees in India. The Vivo Z6 smartphone has been launched with 5G support in China. The latest 5G phone from Vivo is priced under 25,000 rupees price segment. The Vivo Z6 5G comes with a starting price of RMB 2,298, which is around 23,570 rupees in India. The mid-range smartphone is the first one to pack a Snapdragon 765G SoC. The Vivo Z6 also features a 6.57-inch punch-hole display, 5000 mAh battery and supports 44W charging too. Read on to know more about it. Vivo Z6 features, specifications. The Vivo Z6 flaunts a punch-hole display design, and at the back, one will notice 4 cameras. The 5G phone ships with a 6.57-inch IPS LCD display with Full HD Plus resolution, and 20:9 aspect ratio. It has a 90.74% screen-to-body ratio. On the front is a 16-megapixel selfie camera with f2.48 aperture. At the back of the phone, there is a 48-megapixel main shooter with f1.79 aperture and 6p lens. This camera setup is accompanied by an 8-megapixel ultrawide lens, a 2-megapixel macro lens, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The quad cameras also support features like Super Night Scene 2.0, Hyper HDR, video stabilization, 4K video shooting and more. The Vivo Z6 5G is powered by a Snapdragon 765G processor, which brings support for dual-mode 5G connectivity. Vivo has launched its 5G phone with up to 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and up to 128GB UFS 2.1 storage. The company has given an option to expand the internal storage of the device using a micro SD card slot. As for the battery, the handset sports a 5000 mAh unit. The phone comes with support for 44W SuperFlash Charge technology, and Vivo claims it can top up the phone up to 70% in 35 minutes. The brand says the charger can fully charge the device from 0 to 100% in 65 minutes. The device comes with PC-grade liquid cooling tech, and the Vivo Z6 5G runs Android 10 OS along with FunTouch OS 10. Connectivity options of the phone include dual SIM support, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, USB-C, a 3.5mm audio jack, and Wi-Fi. It features a rear-facing fingerprint reader, and face unlock too. As for the pricing, the Vivo Z6 5G with 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage is priced at RMB 2,298, approximately 23,570 rupees. The 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage variant will cost RMB 2,598, approximately 26,650 rupees. Lastly, the handset will be available in Ice Age, Interstellar Silver, and Aurora Black color options. At the moment, it is unknown whether the device will make its debut outside of China.